Legends, welcome to vlog 191 on the Miles Rolden YouTube channel. Today's focus is on this Capiz or this ceiling made of Hardiflex. It's currently being installed as we speak. Tune in till the end, see how this all pans out. Today's vlog is all about ceilings and Hardiflex. Welcome to the Miles Rolden YouTube channel. Subscribe if you are new, like the videos and share it. Legends, welcome to 191, vlog 191 on the Miles Rolden YouTube channel. Welcome, I'm Miles Rolden and welcome to the dream home build here in the province town of Sapian in the Philippines. It's a small home that I'm currently building for my mother and father to enjoy some of their retirement years in as of when they're here in the Philippines. As well as that, it's a vacation home for my brother and I. We're based in London, we were born there. And we've come full circle. We're building a house back in the hometown of Mumsy and Daddy-O. So come along for this ride. I hope you enjoy vlog 191. On with the vlog. So Legends, we're on the top floor. The open balcony here is continuously being done by the stainless steel team led by Rico. You'll see, Legends, that these stainless steel balcony barriers, call it what you may, have now been welded, and there are holes for the allocation and the eventual install. So we have quite a few holes here, all chiseled in. And yeah, if you come up to this floor, you'll see all the stainless steel, the metal work has been fabricated now and is ready for the final installation, where all of these holes will be filled in with these barriers and will help with fall prevention and safety. Okay, so let's head downstairs to the first floor, Legends, and I'll give you an update on this Capiz or this ceiling work that's being currently done by the gang. So Legends, we have some more of this Hardiflex delivered. We're going with the thinner thickness in the rooms, and then the thicker thickness that we previously bought, if you've seen prior vlogs to this, will be used on the top deck underneath the roof. We have Rico's team here installing or chiseling some more of the holes for where the barrier or the stainless steel barriers will go. And this will be for the first floor balcony as well. So exciting times, Legends. Let's head into the first bedroom, the master bedroom on this floor, which is my room. And you'll see, legends, oh, we just caught it in time. Another Hardiflex is being installed onto the metalwork frame that Boss Nancy, Foreman Rocky, Gibson and Apprentice Tanoy have been fabricating over the last couple of vlogs. So that was just a trial test. They're going to bring it back down, balik lang, do some more adjustments before Foreman Rocky is happy to rivet it in. You see underneath the Hardiflex, legends, the metalwork, the metal frames made of metal filings that have been galvanized and protected. So we have a very strong structure holding up this Kesame or this Hardiflex. Foreman Rocky just needs to do a few more adjustments before he's happy to put it in this allocated section. Again, you'll see, legends, that we have electrical team in, and they have installed the wiring that will form the lighting in the bedroom. Just here as well.
Dito lumay men to. Oh, subong na yan na. Kung sabi mo, okay? Sila na. Medyo ka kilid na. Oh. Ilang. Jangan tiap ah.
So they're just trying to get this wiring through, legends, for the electrical outlet.
Sila doon. Buat mo. Hindi. Tapos?
Tag-uod na itong kon. Tag-uod. Tag-uod na rin.
Pwede ito mabuot sa piyak?
Hindi lang kung punon ta.
Hindi, pwede ito mabuot sa piyak sa CR?
Ha?
Pwede ka sa kuot sa CR? Sa CR pwede ka kuot?
Hindi lang kita.
Pwede ka kuot sa CR?
Buto-buto.
Ay, ay, sira. Ay, dapat lang. Ay, napagis naman.
The next plan is Boss Nancy will climb in through the CR roof, which is still connected,
Betul yan?
and put it through.
Tuan mo. Tungan.
Ito po yan po. Nalay sa.
And we have the bamboo supports going in now.
Yung grindiran daw.
Makaon na to eh. Lumayan.
Parang grinder. Pwede sila putong yan. Pwede na putong, pwede na putong. Malalay lang yung putong, malalay.
So you're seeing first-hand, legends, the trial and error process of each one of these segments, each one of these panels. It really is a jigsaw puzzle, and Foreman Rocky, you can see, cares about it, so it's just right, perfect.
Ay,
you go, legends. It looks like it's just fitting just perfect now. They seem happy with it as well.
Oh, gitu dia. Berat tanah. Jadi yang belum nilai dong.
Come back to this, legends. Let's check on the other work going on downstairs. So legends, we're back out here at the carport. You would have seen in the previous vlog, Nuno Joven had begun the rendering of this front-facing facade. You'll see it's more or less there now. He's actually doing the underside of it now, which again, if you've seen previous vlogs, you'll know how delicate and time consuming this work is. He has to layer it layer by layer, much like what he's doing now. Then he has to leave it to dry for a couple of hours until he can come back and layer again. If you rush the process, it ends up falling, and that's what you don't want, because it all just becomes pointless then, and you have to start again. As well as that, legends, in the carport, you see John Liu has also newly rendered this column here, and looks like he's also starting with Jerson this column here. I've tasked the boys to finish this carport as soon as possible, because obviously it's the first thing you notice in the vlog. It's the first thing people notice as they walk past. So the front needs to resemble how the build is going, which is fast and successfully. So you see the guys have laid tumsit, and John Liu is making baka noise. So it looks like John Liu will do this column, and Didong will do this one, while Jova is their labour, and Nunai Jobin continues this work. And it looks like, legends, we've managed to feed through the wiring. I believe it's gypsum above there, putting it through. So now the holes have been drilled in. Gibson is coming in with the rivet gun and riveting those holes, those drilled in holes by Foreman Rocky. And that in theory will hold up this Capiz or this Hardiflex ceiling.
Rivets puntahan.
Baik Pak.
Rivets punta barang boleh ke puna.
So now there's rivets in Legends. The supports the temporary supports, the bamboo supports, can be removed because the rivets are holding in the, or holding up, shall I say, the Hardiflex. It looks like Legends, this first floor master bedroom now has got completed Capiz. First room, pila ka kwarto left? 7? So Foreman Rocky is just drawing a pencil outline just to highlight where the rivets need to go to make sure it hits one of the steel or the metal frame, shall I say. So Legends, if you're enjoying this sort of content, this building content, please smash that like button, give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please do think about sharing this content, and please hit that subscribe button as well, receive regular notifications when we upload a vlog on YouTube. Be one of our legends. If you wish to engage with us, please help us improve this channel by leaving a comment, some nice kind words. Guapo si Gibson, all black, huh? Black beauty, si Commander. He's becoming very good with this rivet gun.
Wala na akong bala dito.
Wala bala? Imo display lang?
Ito pala, dami.
Yeah, so Gibson's quite good with this rivet gun, legends. His forearm is massive, so he's got the strength, even with the awkward angles, to clamp the gun. These rivets are self-tightening. Once the gun is clamped, they cut itself off and it basically holds permanent. All of this will be skin coated, so you won't even see the rivets, legends, and then painted. So legends, as we come to the end of this vlog, you can see the finished Sesame is coming along. If you've reached it this far to the end of this vlog, legends, do think about subscribing if you haven't already. You obviously enjoy this content. Show us some love, hit that subscription button. Be a legend. The ceiling really does add a bit of depth to the room. It does make it more cozy and more homely. Mami, ang lugar na hinay siya, and then
Ibahan ako ulit.
So legends, let's make a final check on the work over here, legends. So they're making more rendering mix. Nuno Jovin is continuing the underside of this balcony. Tune in to the next vlog. I'll give you a more in-depth look of the progress in this carport. as vlog 192 will be focused, I imagine, on this carport and the good work that the guys are doing here. But we'll just do a final recap for this vlog 191. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. So John Lee's post is looking good. Still a bit away from the tumsit, but that will be focused on in the next vlog, as I mentioned. We'll progress through that. Jerson still has a lot to do on his. Legends, that's it for vlog 291 on the Miles Roldan YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed seeing the completion of the first master bedroom on the first floor. We have completed the ceiling, the Capiz, and you saw how the Hardiflex has been installed, how we cut it, how we rivet it in onto the metalwork. So all of that has been shown in today's vlog. If you're new to the channel and you enjoyed it and you've made it this far to the end of the video, please do hit that like button, share the content and subscribe if you haven't already. To all my ongoing supporters, thank you so much for all your support and love here. Continue to support my journey here in the Philippines. With all this being said, I hope to cover in the next vlog 292 the carport and the rendering that's continued here. Please do tune in to 292. It's me, myself and I, Miles Roldan. Thanks for watching.